Welcome to our comparison of two innovative portable washing machines. Today, we will look at the GZJ portable washing machine and the DFJKJUU portable washing machine. Both are designed for convenience and efficiency, perfect for small spaces like apartments and for travel. Let's dive into their features and see how they stack up against each other. The GZJ portable washing machine offers a capacity of 15 liters, making it suitable for small loads like baby clothes and underwear. In contrast, the DFJKJUU portable washing machine has a slightly larger capacity of 16 liters, allowing you to wash more items at once. This difference in capacity can be crucial for users who need to do laundry for multiple small items or for families. When it comes to features, the GZJ model has a user-friendly touch control interface and includes a Blu-ray feature for enhanced cleaning. On the other hand, the DFJKJUU model boasts a removable spin-dry basket, which is a significant advantage for users looking to dry their clothes quickly after washing. This added functionality can save time and effort, especially for those on the go. Both machines are designed to be portable and foldable, making them ideal for travel and small living spaces. The GZJ model is compact with dimensions of 12.5 x 12.5 x 5.5 inches when folded, while the DFJKJUU model measures 11.9 x 11.9 x 5.9 inches. This slight difference in design may influence your choice depending on the space available for storage. In conclusion, both the GZJ and DFJKJUU portable washing machines offer unique features that cater to different needs. If you prioritize a compact design and touch controls, the GZJ might be the right choice for you. However, if you need a larger capacity and the convenience of a spin-dry function, the DFJKJUU could be the better option. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.